Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add a up left arrow symbol comment in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select this tools option. Now select comment option and click on this sticky dot. Put here. Now click right button for properties and click on the dialog box appearance option and scroll down. Here you will find this up left arrow option. And I will change this arrow color. Also you can change this opacity and select OK. Again click here and type here your comment and post and see this or up left arrow comment inserted. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.